Last time I camped here, someone went through my tent and stole my gear. I wasn't planning on coming back so soon, but here I am, facing that fear. You guys, I was planning on camping next to a river deep in the forest, but I couldn't pass up 70-degree weather at the coast. So here we are in the middle of February. This weather is insane, so let's get the camp set up, shall we? Oops, let's try this one more time. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Tori, and I'm on a mission this year to go from campgrounds to my very first solo wild camp here in the Pacific Northwest. It has been one long day. Traveled down the 101 to get here from Nehalem Bay. And I didn't sleep very well last night because the wind was howling. My tent held up pretty well, but I just couldn't sleep because of it, because it was too noisy. So hopefully that means I'll sleep really good tonight. But I'm just going to relax, take in the nice weather. It's in the mid-60s right now. It was 70 degrees until a month earlier. I will say that Nehalem Bay was probably the driest campground on the coast that I've camped at yet. I mean, my tent was completely dry in the morning, and the ground was fairly dry, and it was really warm. It was like 55 degrees last night. It'll be colder tonight here. And if you haven't seen that camping video yet, I'll link it up here or over here somewhere. As the sun went down, I noticed every single person walking by my camp. I couldn't help it. Last time, someone walked off with my gear, but then the sunset did its thing, and I just let it go. If you're enjoying this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to take it a step further and subscribe to the channel, I would really appreciate it. It helps me reach more people. Thank you so much. Okay, I think we're gonna keep dinner real simple. We're gonna do this chicken and mashed potatoes. looks like. It smells like chicken and gravy. It's almost ready. This jet boil has just been the coolest gift I've ever received for camping. It definitely was not enough. What I don't want is soupy potatoes. I don't mind a crunchy piece of chicken here and there, but yeah, it's gonna need more water. These potatoes really absorb that water pretty quickly. Now we wait. Okay, here's a moment of truth on our dinner. That tastes like a homemade Sunday meal. That's very good. Keeping it simple this morning. Thank you so much for coming back to Keep Lookout with me. This trip didn't erase what happened here, but it sure erased the weight of it. Next up, I'm heading deep into the forest to Campfire River, and for the first time, I found myself completely alone, or so I thought. Subscribe so you don't miss out on that one. Until then, go chase your own wild.